What is up? Welcome back to the channel, or hi, my name is Caitlin. If you are you moving your feet?
No, I'm paused now. Go ahead.
Okay. Hello, beautiful. Welcome back to the channel. What is up? My name is Caitlin. If you are new here, on this channel we focus a lot on how to bullet journal. So what is bullet journaling? This video I'm going to be walking through all of my plan with me's. Yeah, my plan with these for the last 6 months, so July until December 2021. I hope that you enjoy and stay tuned to the very end where I shout out one of you. This video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be showing you a flip through of all of the plan with me videos that I did from July 2021 until December 2021. So if you haven't already seen any of the videos of me setting up my bullet journal or how to create a different plan with me theme video, I will have everything linked in the description box down below for you, as well all of the supplies and stuff that I generally gravitate towards when coming up with different plan with me ideas. With this is just my beginning bullet journal setup, but now we are getting into July. And this was so much fun. I absolutely loved creating this plant theme. And it was the first time that I had ever glued anything into my bullet journal just using craft paper. If you don't have craft paper, what I ended up doing was just using different paper bags around the house from grocery stores. And it worked out pretty well. Here it is. Now you'll be able to tell when I'm moving into a new month because I generally leave a blank page. But this is August and I did an animal line art theme design. It was very simple and elegant, but also really interesting and cool. I just ended up looking ideas up on Pinterest for line art and saw these cute giraffes and absolutely had to do an animal line art theme. So if you're ever looking for inspiration, Pinterest is a good place. Let me know what you think about this theme in the comments down below. September was the first time that I ever did anything watercolor related, and I definitely got out of my comfort zone with this. If you are a beginner to watercolors or have never done anything watercolor related, that was me in September, and this was such an easy theme idea for your bullet journal. So if you are a beginner to bullet journaling or beginner to watercolors, 10 out of 10 would recommend doing something like this. I got to explore like similar tones within watercolors and do some line art over top. This theme for October was really bringing me back to my childhood with Winnie the Pooh. I used to watch this show all the time as a kid and definitely thought it would be a perfect fall bullet journal theme with the autumn colors, but not too fall. And I really love just experimenting with different watercolors. This was a lot easier than it looks, and I ended up being able to use things like transfer paper so I could get an exact replica of the different characters. If you haven't seen how I did it, I do end up going through that in my video, and I'll have it linked below for you. Now, November, I ended up doing a scrapbook theme, and I was really itching to get this theme because I thought it looked so cool. You could incorporate a whole bunch of different patterns and tones and different photos, and it was really rough and difficult and annoying at the beginning. But after I got the hang of it, it was a lot more fun. It was really relaxing. So just be patient with yourself if you are trying out a scrapbook theme. It will go a lot better along the way. Now, the next couple of pages here, you can see I didn't really end up doing much that goes towards my theme, and that ends up happening. You'll have spreads that you don't necessarily use or that you don't relate towards your theme. As long as you are using your bullet journal to benefit you, you are doing it right. On to December, I am finishing it off with this Winter Wonderland snowman theme, and I ended up pulling in watercolors, using some alcohol-based markers, and of course my favorite Tombow brush pens as well, just to create this theme, and tested out tabs for the first time between my monthly and different goals and things like that. Honestly, I don't know what one was my favorite. I think it must have been maybe October. I really liked those watercolors. So let me know down in the comments below what you think and what your favorite one was. Well, that is it. Thank you to Sherry for subscribing and leaving a comment down below. I'm really glad that you've been enjoying those quick and easy 10-minute weeklies. I have another video exactly on that coming to you next week. If you haven't already, make sure to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below. It really does help support my channel to grow, and I will see you next week. Bye! Gorgeous!
You gotta end with a boom.